Sorkar jela ka syat banti bat ngam jele wan wat ya ka Thymmei ka Tyllong jong ka jait beriu Khasi-Jaintia bat Garo. Kala tauru ya komiti ka bakar pang halo ka ne na ka ka jait beriu Khasi-Jaintia bat kawai pat ka komiti na ka jait beriu Garo bat ansa pelaj pat ba ya ka duli ni ka dokumen halo ka ni. Teng ba ka jela konat ka sang ma lo pentip mta ka sngi ba ka Sorkar ka penkrek ban le ru ya ka DNA mapping ne ban wat ki jaka bagi wan long breu ki sembai ki we ki Tyllong jinglong kerpang jong jait mreu Khasi-Jaintia bat Garo kani kani ka sen jam ban kong ba ka Sorkar kan le ya kani ka jingwat Tyllong wat Thymmei ya ka jait mreu Khasi-Jaintia bat kumju ya ka jait mreu Garo.
Very important meeting is as you're aware that we have put up two committees specifically to look into the Khasi-Jaintia and one committee to look into the roots of the Garo tribe. So therefore one committee that look into the roots of the Khasi and Jaintia the tribes, and one that look into the roots of the Garo tribe and do a detailed research including DNA mapping, including different linguistic linkages, cultural linkages, and connect with different researchers to document different aspects of both the Khasi-Jaintia tribes and the background and also for the Garo community. And we're doing this because, as I said, we would like to see that more documentation, more research and more facts are available so that all these documentations which had not been done in the past can be done. So this was again discussed today. We'll be formally launching this particular research program in the month of May, but we did a preliminary study. In fact, the team has started working from February itself, and we will further take this research, which would in fact entail discussions with different institutes at national level, even at international level, and go into the in-depth analysis of the roots of our different tribes in the state. It will be anything between 18 months to 24 months because it's a very detailed study. But obviously, as we go along, the reports will keep coming out.